Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Hello, my name is Hidud Rahman. I am student of grade 8, Ideal Indian School, Doha, Qatar. So far, this is my last video on the chapter Algebraic expressions and identities. And I am not making the videos on exercise 9.5 because it does not include in our syllabus in this year. Maybe I hope that it could be included in our next year. So now let's start with this exercise. The last four questions. So the first question is simplify. The fifth question, in our previous video we did the first four questions, and in this video we are doing the last four questions. So we have done the last one was fourth question. So now we are continuing with the fifth question. So fifth question is x plus y, 2x plus y plus x plus 2y, and the last bracket is x minus y. Now this is a very lengthy expression, but we will solve it as we did the previous one. So now let's start. So first we will separate this x and the plus y, and then we will multiply it by 2x plus y. Now let's start. So this is the fifth one. Okay, now x into 2x plus y. Now this is in bracket. Then this is plus y. So plus, we are not going to write plus here. Then 2x plus y. Now let's multiply it. So when we multiply it, 2x. Now 2 into x equals x. 2 into x equals 2x. Then here x into x equals the power, add the powers, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So x raised to the power 2. Then x into y equals xy. We have a positive sign here, so we'll put the positive sign here as it is. Then we have found the answer for the first one. We'll put it in the bracket for not getting confused. Then y. Now here we have y. So y into 2x. Now 2 will be as it is because we don't have any other constants in our in this variable, in this y. So we will write 2 as it is. Then x into y. So x into y equals xy. I can write even yx. We can write even yx. Then plus y. Now here we have positive sign, so we'll put positive sign as it is. Then y into y. Now y into y equals y. Add the powers. 1 plus 1 equals 2. As we know, we have to multiply, we have to add the powers at the time when the both variables are same. So we will add the powers when the both variables are same. Now here y and y are both same, so we add the powers. We got the answer as y square. Now we have solved these two brackets. Now let's go for the second bracket, the third bracket. The third bracket we will separate it from x and plus 2y and multiply it by x minus y. Okay. Now the second one is x in bracket x minus y. We are taking x first and then multiplying it by the last bracket. Then x into x equals 2x. Then x raised to the power 2, x squared. This is x squared. This is x squared. Add the powers, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this is x squared and this minus. And here we have minus. So x into y equals xy. Then plus 2y. 2y I will do here. 2y x minus y multiplied by x minus y. Then 2y into x. Now 2 into x equals 2x. But here we have y also. So here we will get the answer as 2xy. When we multiply 2y into x. We can even write it as 2xy. But here as I wrote here xy, so that's why I'm writing here xy here also. So now x we multiplied. Now 2y into negative y. We have a negative and positive here, so negative into positive equals negative. Then 2 into y, we have the variable, the constant as 1, so 2 into 1 equals 2. Then y into y equals y. Add their powers, both the variables are same. Add their powers, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So this is the whole expression. Now let's rewrite it. So the whole expression is 2x squared plus xy in bracket. Then plus, we have a plus sign here? No. So we will write it as it is. Then 2xy, we will write plus here. Then 2xy plus y squared in bracket. Then here we have given a plus, so that means we have to multiply it, add it. Then the answer which we got here, x squared, then minus xy. Then the answer which we got here was 2xy minus 2y squared. We have a positive sign here, so we will put the adding sign. 2xy minus 2y squared. Now this could be also a bracket here. This will also be a bracket here, but these both we multiplied together, and here what we did, we took y here and we separated, and then we multiplied it. Then we took both the sum of the product of all the brackets, and we wrote in same bracket, in one bracket, and this one we wrote in one bracket. The product we wrote in one bracket. Then all four products, the all four expressions. This whole expression we divided it into the parts. Now we will remove it from the brackets. So we are not going to do anything. We are just going to remove them from the brackets. Just copy them as it is. Then x squared minus xy, but this step is also compulsory, because we have to know that what we have multiplied from all these brackets. So these two brackets we multiply it by by the first bracket. Then these two brackets these two brackets, what we did, we multiplied this bracket with this bracket by separating the variables or the constants. If there are no constants in it, so we are saying only variables. Then these two brackets, what we did, we separated the variables as we did here. Then we separated the variables and multiplied by the last bracket. Then we got the whole brackets here. So this writing the brackets is also compulsory. Now 2x squared plus xy plus 2xy plus y squared plus x squared minus xy. Then in the last, we are going to write this bracket here, minus 2y squared. Okay. Now here we are going to look for the like terms. So what are the like terms? Now let's search for the like terms. So first term is 2x squared. Now where in these brackets, in this whole expression, we have to find the x squared as it is. Now here this is the first term, so we will write this. The first term we will write as it is, the 2y squared, 2x squared plus y xy. So this is the first. This is the first bracket, the first expression. Then here we have to search. The like terms. What are like here we have x squared. Now we have to search the x squared again. So we got x squared here, which is in the third bracket. So after writing this bracket in the like terms, we will write it in the third bracket. Now here we have xy. So xy, here we have 2xy. So we will write it as the like terms. We have plus 2xy. Then plus y square we will write as it is. Then we will go for the third bracket. So third bracket has x squared first. So x squared in the like terms columns. In the column of like terms, then minus xy. So here we have minus xy. Okay, now here we have to make a different column for plus 2xy, because here we have a similar xy, so we not need to write plus 2xy in the same column. We can write it in the different column also. So we can erase this and write it, make 2xy in another column. This was plus. Then here we have negative, so negative sign, so that's why we will write it as negative xy. Okay, now this is the third, I've done mistake again. Okay, now this is the third term. Then x square minus xy. Then the last one is 2xy minus 2y square. So here we have a y square here. Then here we have y square, and here we have minus 2y square. Minus 2. We have to write it in the next column, in next row. Then minus 2y square. Okay, now here we have 2xy, and here also we have 2xy. Both have the sign which is positive. So we will make another sign, another table for it. Plus xy, and here also plus 2xy. Okay, now let's simplify it. So the first thing which we got here is 2xy and 2xy, which is equal to 4xy. Then plus y square and minus y square. Then here we have to subtract it, because plus and minus equals to subtraction. So plus into plus, positive plus negative equals negative. So this is negative, and 1 plus 2 equals 1 minus 2 equals 1. We'll put the positive sign. Then 1. It's not necessary to write 1. We can write the variable as it is, because the variable, the same, the constant, the variable which has the value of 1 will be like will have same value. So y square have the value of 1, so we can write it as y square. Here we got the answer as y, here we got the answer as 1 y square, so we can write it as y square. Then plus xy and minus xy. So here 1 and 1, subtraction, plus and minus subtraction, different signs mean subtraction. Then 1 minus 1 equals 0. So this is 0 here. Then here 2x square and x square. Now here the x will have the value of 1. Then when we will add this, we will get the answer as 3x square. Now let's rearrange them. So we got a 0 here, so it's not necessary to write them, write the zeros in our final answer. So let's rearrange them first. So for rearranging them, what we have to do? Write according to their powers. So 3x squared. 3x squared. Then here here I am writing the value of xy, because xy we have in the first term, and this is the answer of first term. So that's why first we will write 4xy. Then we will write y square in the last. We have positive sign 4xy. Then the last variable is plus y. Plus y square. Now this is the whole answer, and now I am going to erase this and do the sixth question after erasing this. Okay. Now this took this first question, the first answer took the two answer took us more than 15 minutes. So after doing this answer, we will take we will do these two questions in our next video, inshallah. Now let's do this and finish the video. So the sixth question is x plus y x squared minus xy plus y squared. Now here, now in this question, I am not going to explain in detail. The first question, this question was a little bit lengthy. That's why I explained it in a little bit detail. Now this question will solve in minutes. Now let's do it. Okay. Now the answer is, now the question is x, then in bracket x squared minus xy plus x plus y squared plus y squared y squared. Now we will multiply this the whole sum with x. Then we will write y. Then we will multiply the same with y, the same bracket, but with the variable y. Then this is x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay. Now first we will multiply this bracket and so simplify this. So x plus x squared. Now x into x equals x. Add the powers. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then write it a little bit smaller. So x cube, which is x cube. Then minus, now x into minus x. Now x into x basically equals x, but here positive and negative equals negative. Then x into x equals x. Then add the powers. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So x squared. Then y as it is. Then plus, now x into y equals xy. Then we have a square for y, so we will write square for the y. Now we will put the positive sign and continue this one. Then y x squared, y into x equals xy. I am writing it into the alphabetic form. Then x has a square, so we will write x squared first. Then we will write y, the variable y, x squared y. Then minus xy, x into minus xy. Now x into y equals, now the minus sign, plus into minus equals negative sign. Then x into y equals xy, y add the powers, y and y add the powers, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then in the last, y into y equals y is as it is. Then add the powers, 1 plus 2 equals 3. So cubed. Now let's find the like terms and subtract or add them. So the like terms are x squared y. Here x cube, we don't have any like term here. In x cube, we don't have any x cube here. So we will write x cube as it is. X cube as it is. Then minus x squared y. Now here we have plus x squared y, and here we have negative x squared y. Then here what we are going to do, minus and plus equals to subtraction. So different signs equals subtraction, and same sign equals addition. So this we will cancel here itself. Then we got 0 for both of them. Now let's go for this third variable. So third variable is plus xy squared and minus xy squared. So here also we have minus and plus. So we will cancel them both. So xy and we both will have the value of 1 when 1 minus 1 equals 0. So we will cancel them these both also. So for now we don't have any expression left for finding the like terms of y cubed. So that's why we will write y cubed plus y cubed as it is. Now this is the answer for the sixth one. Now we will continue in our next these two questions we will continue in our next video, inshallah. Thank you.